Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marina YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about why back pressure valve in refrigeration system. Why back pressure valve is fitted in the refrigeration system. Okay. The purpose of back pressure valve or how different room temperature are maintained in refrigeration system. Okay. Back pressure valve are maintained in the different room temperature in the refrigeration system. Okay. This valve is fitted at the outlet of higher temperature room like veg room. There are two main reasons to fit the back pressure valve. Okay. The back pressure valve are maintaining different room temperature in the refrigeration system. Back pressure valve maintain different room temperature in the refrigeration system. This back pressure valve is fitted at the outlet of high temperature room like veg room. Okay. The veg room is maintained at a temperature of 4 to minus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, plus 4 to minus 5 degrees Celsius, while the fish room is maintained to minus 12 to minus 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, the flow and amount of refrigerant at fish room will be and meat room is greater as compared to that of veg room. So the flow of refrigerant the fish room and meat room is very high when compared to that of veg room. So if back pressure valve is not fitted, then refrigerant will come at an outlet of all three rooms. Then the refrigerant will tend to flow towards the veg room. To avoid it, this back pressure valve is fitted. Okay, if it is not there, the refrigerant will come at the outlet of all three rooms, then refrigerant will tend to flow towards the veg room. To avoid a back pressure valve is fitted. Okay, back pressure valves are maintaining different room temperature in the refrigeration system. This valve is fitted at the outlet of high temperature rooms like veg room. These are main reasons to there are two main reasons for the fitting of back pressure valve in the refrigeration system, because veg room is maintained at a temperature of 4 and 5 degrees Celsius, that is plus 4 and 5 degrees Celsius, while fish room is about minus 12 to minus 50 degrees, meat room and all. So the flow of amount of refrigerant at the fish room and meat room will be greater as much compared to that of veg room. So if there is no back pressure valve, the refrigerant will come at a common outlet of the all three rooms, then refrigerant will tend to flow towards the veg room. To avoid this, back pressure valve is fitted, and this also serves to limit the pressure drop across the expansion valve by giving set minimum pressure in the evaporator coil. So they will serve to limit pressure drop across the expansion valve by giving a set minimum pressure to evaporator coil. This in turn limits temperature refrigerant, thereby preventing delicate foodstuffs such as vegetables from being damaged by having air at a very low temperature blown over them. So this in turn limit the temperature of refrigerant, thereby preventing delicate foodstuffs such as vegetables from being damaged by having air at a very low temperature blown over them. Ultimately, they may also be said to provide a safety limit to the room temperature by restricting the pressure to corresponding minimum saturation temperature, okay, of 0 degrees Celsius. Ultimately, they may said to provide a safety limit to the room temperature by restricting pressure to give corresponding saturation temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. Here means this back pressure valve, they also serve to limit pressure drop across expansion valve by giving a set of minimum pressure in the evaporator coil. So this in turn limits the temperature of refrigerant, thereby preventing delicate foodstuffs such as vegetables from being damaged by having air at a very low temperature blown over them. Ultimately, they may also be said to provide safety limit to the room temperature by restricting the pressure to give corresponding minimum saturation temperature to the at least a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. In simple words, we can say a refrigerant will flow out only if pressure inside veg room outlet will be greater than that of outer from the main lane. Okay, means you understand that refrigerant will flow out only if pressure inside the veg room will be greater than that of outlet from the main lane. So back pressure valve increases the back pressure in the engine room, which increases the saturation temperature. Here it is what happening, means the back pressure valve will increases the saturation temperature, so that refrigerant will flow out only if the pressure inside the veg room will be greater than that of outlet from the main lane. Okay, so this back pressure valve is served to limit the pressure drop across the expansion valve by setting a minimum pressure in the evaporator coil. So this in turn will limit the temperature of refrigerant, thereby preventing the foodstuff and vegetables from being damaged by a very low temperature blown over them. Ultimately, they may also be said to provide safety limit to room temperature by restricting pressure to give corresponding minimum saturation temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. In simple words, you can say a refrigerant will flow out only if pressure inside the veg room outlet will be greater than that of outer from the main lane. The back pressure valve is fitted that will increase the back pressure in the veg room by which increases the saturation temperature. Thank you.